Yo, what's going on? This is your boy King Kobe. Right now I need you to stop what you're doing and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for the most exclusive and updates about your boy King Kobe. Let's go.
Hey man, y'all come mess with us right here at SplashCity.co. We got our boy messing with us, watching all these fly cars, 35 for inside and out, 45 for SUVs and trucks. We're gonna get you right. We do it all. You getting a spray on wax and nobody doing that for $35, bro. Y'all come mess with us right here. And we mobile, we come straight to you.